Alright, so second episode today, and we're going to make a character move. That's what we're going to do today. Holy crap, I have something that looks like it's stuck in my... Oh, no, that's the reflection. Holy crap, that scared me for a second. But like something was stuck right inside the center of my lens. Okay. Anyways, today we're going to make a character move. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with creating an image or a sprite for our players. So let's go ahead and edit this, click this icon, and let's do 64 by 64. Double click that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I think this color will do, black and blue. If you hold down shift, then left press and drag, it will actually make a perfect circle. Just like that. Alright, I'm gonna give it some eyes as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yay! Yeah, this is why I have a drawing team, because I can't really draw that great. Alright, cool, that will do. Let's go ahead and crop this with 0 borders. There we go, that's nice. We'll name this, let's see, SPR player weight. And we'll center it as well. Alright, now let's go ahead and make our object, call it obj player 1, and let's give the sprite that we just created. There we go. Hit OK. And now we'll go ahead and place that object into our room, just like that. I hit the wrong icon. You know, sometimes I wish they would have put this save icon like over here. Anyways. Alright, let's go ahead and open up our player. And what we're going to do inside of the create events, we're going to make a variable real quick that will hold the speed at which we want our player to move. This is a good thing to do because then if you ever wanted to tweak the movement of the player, you don't have to go through all the codes to create it that involves your player moving a certain speed and change the number each time. Instead, you can just come to the create event, find the variable, and change that number. And right then, it will update every location. You know, so saves time as well. Alright, so what we'll do is creating variables for player. I guess that works. What we'll do is we'll call this mSpeed, short for movement speed, and right now we'll just start it at 7. Yeah, 7. Let's do that. And just so that we have a reference of what this stands for, it will be movement speed. There we go. Unfortunately, you can't put this into a variable. I tried it. I actually set up the whole thing before, you know, the whole entire command for making a player move to the right. But it does not work. You can't assign this to a variable, which sucks. But you can assign the speed, you can assign the letter as well. But we're not going to do that because that's just unnecessary. You know, doesn't make sense for that part. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and now create a step event. Inside of here, we'll name this setting up players' movement and limits. There we go. Inside of here, we're going to make the player move in all 4 directions, and in order to do so, we're going to start with the left one though. So let's go ahead and do that. If keyboard check board bracket A for right direction, then X minus equal to speed. And again, I like putting these in here a lot. Moving right. It is good practice too, especially if you're working with a team. Trust me, it saves a lot of time to use comments. Big time. Because then you don't have to go and talk to them about everything that's going on. They can literally read it and know. Let's see, 6 minutes already? What the heck? Moving left. Org D open bracket close bracket X plus equal M speed, and as you can see, M speed is only 7. So this is actually saying we're going to move 7 pixels to the left, 7 pixels to the right, 7 pixels up, 7 pixels down, etc. Moving up. If keyboard check W Y minus equal M speed, and then this is going to be moving down. If keyboard check board, oh no, open bracket board capital S. Yes, any letter that you put inside of here needs to be capitalized in order for this function to work. We'll do Y plus equals M speed. And there we go. Let's see what happens now. Alright, so here we have our player. And as you can see, I'm moving. And let's say for some reason we did not like it to move that fast. Close this. Instead of going in here and changing all these 4, we can simply just change this. Yes, it is exactly that simple. And next thing you know, it's moving slower. Alrighty, so there you have it. Like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, just don't like it. If you have any ideas or maybe any questions about how to do particular things within Game Maker Studio, just leave it in the comments below, and if I have any kind of time, I'll actually make a video on that topic as well. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and remember, be real, be true, be yourself.